Did you know the most feared medieval punishment didn't break bones? It broke the mind. Victims were locked inside a pitch-black chamber where no sound, no light, and no sense of time existed. Minutes felt like hours. Hours felt like weeks. After a few days, people began talking to shadows, and then to themselves. Records describe prisoners begging guards to speak, even to insult them just to hear another human voice. Some never returned to normal once released. Search for the silent room torture, and you'll see why it was considered a fate worse than death. The silence in that chamber was deafening, wrapping around them like a suffocating blanket. With every tick of an unseen clock, sanity frayed at the edges as the mind fought against the unrelenting solitude. Some imagined they heard voices calling their names while others were consumed by their own thoughts, spiraling deeper into madness. Many left the chambers physically intact, but mentally scarred, haunted by the echoes of their time spent in darkness.